Cupboards packed. Fridge stocked. Today we're going to use a free voucher we got from the Caravan and Motorhome Club.
Where are we going?
We're going to Ashwell.
It's good to give the motorhome a run, as it hasn't been used much during the winter. The Ashridge site is very close to us, about 20 miles. It has 39 pitches, 25 which are hard standing. The grass ones on the right aren't used during the winter period. Let's check in and see if we can use this voucher.
That took a while.
All checked in. I paid the deposit when I booked the site originally. I'll get the £20 back refunded to my card.
Can we go here or over there?
Now let's pick a pitch.
It's either over there
Someone's
or
on that
here.
one.
So all set up, and let's go and have a look around. So they've got a little information hut with a little library and some magazines.
So we've been to Ashwell, or Ashridge as the campsite's called, quite a few times, but it's always a nice little walk into the village.
Oh, the blossom's out, which is very early. On the lane there's a little farm shop. Oh no, look at that, look at those fresh eggs. Look at there's a green one.
Green egg.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah.
So we bought some eggs, and is quickly going to go back and drop them off because you don't really want to carry around half a dozen eggs.
Thank you. Horse looks a bit cold, but it's having its tea. Some woolly sheep. He's got his tongue out. And there's a little mouse.
Lots of beautiful, really old houses.
Another little mouse. The village museum was closed, so I just poked the camera through to have just a little look.
back onto the high street, there's even more period houses. There are a few special properties for sale. All very nice, but we're not buying today. There's a butcher's and a baker's, and further up the high street there's a quirky gift shop.
Well, we couldn't really walk past. Next to the pub is the Springs Nature Reserve. The water's so clear.
One of the things you always need to do in Ashwell is cross the spring on the stepping stones and don't fall in.
Another little bird. This seems a bit of a theme in Ashwell. I think it could be a meal in the motorhome tonight. There's a forecast, it's for heavy rain.
So what are we having?
Duck leg with cherry sauce. And it was very nice.
And it rained all night. Time to try that green egg we bought yesterday.
Green egg looks really tasty.
And we head for home on a bit of a gloomy Sunday morning.
I really like Ashwell. Thanks Caravan and Motorhome Club for our free stay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell for future episodes.
And see you next time on one of our future trips.